Efficient, robust domestic capital markets are vital to mobilize financing that spurs growth, especially long-term financing for infrastructure projects. To unleash Africa's full economic potential, domestic capital markets need to be developed and supported, and that's why the Capital Markets Development Trust Fund (CMDTF) was launched in 2019 by the African Development Bank Group, with the generous support from the Ministry for Foreign Affairs and Development Cooperation of the Netherlands and the Ministry of Finance of Luxembourg.
The Capital Markets Development Trust Fund, or CMDTF, is dedicated to support the development of well-regulated, competitive, broad and deep capital markets that can efficiently mobilize long-term funding to finance the social and the economic growth while creating jobs. Through the fund, we will provide technical assistance to governments, stock exchanges, central securities depositories, and regulators to promote more efficient and resilient capital markets.
The Netherlands is a proud supporter of the Capital Markets Development Trust Fund for more robust, digital, green and transparent capital markets in Africa.
The African continent remains heavily challenged by sustainable development goals set by the UN. The World Bank estimates the financing needs at $90 billion per year over the next 20 years. Developing financial institutions like the African Development Bank must continue to play their role as a catalyst for sustainable opportunities.
To ensure transformative impact on capital markets in West Africa, the Trust Fund focuses on 4 key outcomes: improve legal and regulatory environment, upgrade markets infrastructure, diversify capital markets products, broaden the investor base. 34% of CMDTF's resources to date have been dedicated to improving the regulatory environment of capital markets. 26% of CMDTF's resources goes to upgrading market infrastructure. Another quarter of CMDTF's resources goes to diversifying capital market products. The last 15% of CMDTF's resources are dedicated to broadening the investor base, strengthening institutional investors' capacity, and promoting long-term local currency funding.
Since its establishment, we have reached key stakeholders across 15 countries in West Africa, and in the coming years, we will monitor and evaluate both our work and its impact across the continent.
In light of the strong demand for the Trust Fund's assistance, the African Development Bank looks forward to working with existing and new donors to scale up the size and outreach of the Capital Markets Development Trust Fund and provide transformative opportunities for growth throughout Africa. Become a partner today. Invest in Africa. Visit our website to learn more.